Hello guys, do you want to receive emails that tell you that they have a job for you, and then you go and do the job and get paid? So in this video I'm going to show you a step-to-step tutorial on how you can get this email, do the actual job and get paid immediately, and those money you will be sent your money within a week's time. So it's kind of very simple, even anybody with a phone can do it, and it's at least you can get some income, some extra cash. So to get emails like this, you have first to open your Play Store account. So it's kind of very easy. You are just going to post videos for some people and get paid. So first thing, you go open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, you search for the word Wowzi app, and then you open it. And this app, once you install it and open it, this app will pay you whenever you post other people's content. It will not matter how many views it will get. It only matters that even if as little as 500 followers in each social media, that's from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even LinkedIn, you are going to get paid. It does not matter how many views you'll get. As long as your account are approved, you'll get the payment. So once you download it, you start following the steps. This is the way the dashboard looks like once you have registered and done everything. So it's simple. You have registered, you set up your profile. For me, I have set up my profile. This is my another account. It's a brand new account for this video. So here it shows you the total payments, all those, and the tax which you do, and the task history which I down below there. And then when you go to the marketplace, this is where you'll be finding new jobs. These jobs will come depending on your social media. It's kind of very easy and very simple, and they pay you immediately to your account. So here is where you should set your profile, and the most very important place to put your effort on is in the social media. Here, the socials. Once you click that, you link your social media, those social media which you link, and they become verified, and you just need at least 500 followers in each social media. So that is quite very simple and very easy. So once you reach 500 followers on every social media account, you just come here. So if you have all these social medias, each having 500 followers, you'll be getting a lot of tasks. They will just be notifying you that there's an advertiser here who wants you to post this video, and then you just go and download the video, do some edits and post it. It's kind of very simple and very easy. So the most important is the social media. From there you can set up your payment method and all that. On Wowo's community, you just join as many communities as possible, and these are the communities which will be giving those advertisements. So from this one, you will be assured that you'll be getting some income at least every week. They usually send the payments weekly. So for those who are very interested, you can just comment below, or you can join my Telegram channel for more information.